So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix fast battery drain issue in your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues like your battery drain is too fast, so this video show the simple and the effective fix to reduce the battery drain and stop background uses and increase your battery backup. So guys, first thing is check the battery uses. For checking the battery uses, first go to settings, then guys go to the option of battery, and here you find which application consume more battery. If you find any application, so just here you go detail. Here I'm not using too much app, so it shows only one. Like if you find Instagram is consume more battery, so just long press on it, going to info button, then guys going to the option of here battery and select to the restrict. Okay, first thing. Second guys is enable power saving mode. So guys, by enabling the power saving mode you also save lot of battery, so you just click it and enable it. Another thing is guys, you limit your background apps. So guys, make sure that you have the limited background applications that are running. So please try to close all the applications. For this, simply press this application, press this button and control close all the limit background app. After that, reduce brightness. For reducing the brightness, you simply select it to the medium level, not too high and not too down, not too low. Third thing is guys, you try to check the update. Make sure your phone is always up to date. For updating the phone, simply go to the option of settings. Here you go, software update, and download and install the new one. So these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.